Yo, hello everyone! Are you a dental professional looking for software to manage your practice more effectively? Open Dental software may be the solution you are looking for. In this video, we will show you how to get started with Open Dental's free tutorial and give you a quick overview of the software's features. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you to do is simply head up to your browser, go to the URL section and search for Open Dental. Here, they will give you this software. And as you can see here, they have already given you some pictures of the software and how it looks like. It is very useful for the dentist to see how this what the software is actually working. So here, if there is any problem with your patient's teeth, you can check them here. You can save here notes. You can actually enter treatments, missing teeth, movement, primary, everything in detail. You will find it over here. You can even select which section of the teeth is actually having a problem, and here you will have all the dates and etc. So this is like an image on how the software is looking like. Now let's go back to the website, and here it is. Now if you want to order Open Dental, you can just click here to order it, and all you have to do, ready to order the full version of Open Dental, all you have to do is call them on this number. It is as simple as that. Once you call them, you'll have to actually pay 179 per month for location. So if you have like one dental location, you will only have to pay 179 per month. After, as you can see here, it includes the software for telephone support and all software release, and they came out. Includes access to the acquire and video capture imaging module features, includes access to web forms, patient portal, emailed e-reminders, emailed automated thank you message, and emailed general messages. Covers all computers per location or office for up to 3 dentists. Mobile treatment units are each treated as one physical location for billing purposes. After 12 months, the monthly fee goes down to 129, so it will be no more 159. The initial contract is for 12 months and automatically continues after that on a month to month basis. Most users remain on the support plan so that they can continue to receive new versions and telephone support. The software comes with a 90 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like the software, you have 90 days to get your money back from them. It is as simple as that. Here, for the training and everything, you will have a YouTube channel that has a customized training for you. As you may check here, this is the YouTube channel. So you can check it out by your own self later on and see all the things that you have to get in order to actually have its full potential. Here you can try the free trial just by clicking on free version. And the free trial version of OpenDental can be used to evaluate the software or be used as the first step when installing the full version. View uses this measure for existing customer feedback. And here, download an installation. All you have to do to install it is click here to download the trial, and then wait a little bit until it is fully installed. As you can see here, they have really bad servers. That's why it is taking me 2 hours to install only 100 megabytes. So this is a no for me at the moment. And in case you were like a dentist, you really have to wait a little bit of time, which is 2 hours. It is kind of nothing for you as a dentist who's trying to try this software. But trust me, guys, it is worth the time. Like instead of going to Fiverr and trying to get someone to create the whole software for you, you have it already created for you with patch of support and videos to train you how to use it and much more. So here they are showing you how to actually download it successfully. So here, download the executable by clicking on this link. When the download is complete, view the executable in the download folder, right click the try executable and run as administrator, and then ensure all boxes are checked. As you can see, this is open as installer. Make sure that all these boxes are checked, so you can download all the items. Then, in the lower right, click Install, as you can see here. In the Open Dental Setup wizard will launch. Follow the prompt through the wizard to install. Next, the MariaDB will install on its own. Wait for the install to complete. Once completed, you will be promoted to create a MySQL password. So this will be your account to get the access. And then the installation will be completed. Click OK, close out the installer, and then launch the software. In case you didn't understand the installation process, you can simply go here to installation to a workstation and watch their video about it. It is as simple as that. If you had any questions, they have some answer here. As you can see, last updated in 2022 and August. And some of the problems that people had is I need to install MySQL 5.5. Use this trial installer instead of the one above. The installer or the program won't start up at all. You'll likely need to install .NET. Problem: how do I install the trial version if I already have MySQL or MariaDB installed? Some third-party software will also use MySQL or MariaDB. If installing OpenDental to demo the software, install it to a different computer. If installing OpenDental for live use in your office, contact support for assistance. Problem: I am using MySQL 5.5 and would like to update to MariaDB 10.5. Run the follow upgrade tool. You will upgrade it you will be upgraded to MariaDB 10.510. For more details, see MariaDB. And there is much more about this in those two links if you'd like to check them out. So, in general, if you'd like to see the programs, their distribution list, source code, even you might find it here in this section on the GitHub. To be more specific, there is everything in there, so you can check the code to make sure that everything is correctly done. Nothing is like a malware in there or something like that if you were kind of a good programmer. And if you really think that is the thing that you are going for, just go for it. It is a really good software. And if you didn't like it, as I mentioned before, you have 90 days so you can get the money back. So you have a guarantee of 90 days. Use the software well in those 90 days, and then later on you will get your money back into your pockets. So yeah guys, that was everything about Open Dental. I give you a general view about it. I hope you like this video. It was a very entertaining video for me because this software is very good for dentals, and I have already seen it on my dental and I didn't know which kind of software is it, and now I have all the information that I need about it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you had any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will answer them in the upcoming days. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.